My name is Mel Galion, owner and CEO of FB Foods. I live in Scarborough, Ontario for almost 25 years. I came to Canada in 1998. At that time, I'm 28 years old. When I came to Canada, it's during 100 years of the Philippines. We invited by the Philippine Independence Day Council, headed by Miss Norma Carpio, PIDC, for Mabuhay Festival in CNE for 100 years. I am the one of the vendor of PIDC during that time. During my first year in Canada, I impressed with the Filipino community because when I came to Canada, it's a Mabuhay Festival. It's a festival of the Filipino. It's like fiesta. That's why I'm impressed. A lot of people from all over Ontario, not even Ontario, Quebec or Montreal, come to CNE. During the time of CNE, I see a lot of people, the Filipino people, na talagang eager to buy my product because I bring Filipino product like ube halaya, pastillas, Quezon product like browas, apas, like a biscuit from our native province. I bring a lot of Filipino foods, dry foods to Canada. Actually, during the time, 2 weeks celebration, but for 1 week pa lang, I sold out na. Wala na ako talagang product. Wala na ako mabenta. Kaya naisip ko, kaya ako nag-stay na sa Canada. Maganda pala ditong mag-business, maganda magnegosyo. Especially siguro food. Kasi noong time na yun, talagang walang gumagawa ng mga kakanin, ng mga pagkain. Kasi that time, ang mga Pilipino is always going to work lang, work, bahay. There's no time to cook food, to cook especially kakanin, especially yung mga pastries. Kasi they are so busy. Kaya nung nakita ko na talaga yung opportunity na yon, talagang inisip ko na I will do it in Canada. I've been in business in the Philippines since I'm bata pa. Kasi I'm not rich kid. I start business when I'm 9 years old. Kasi sa hirap ng buhay sa Pilipinas, hindi naman kami mayaman. Talagang I grew up na talaga mahirap sa pambaon na lang ng hindi ka mabigyan ng tamang baon ng parents. Pag may mga contributions sa school, hindi ka rin mabigyan ng mga magulang mo. Kaya I do some business like I do cooking like singaling, doing ice candy, and when I even grade 4, I do nagpapaupa ako ng comics sa mga bahay-bahay, sa aming mga kapitbahay. They know me sa aming province, sa aming bayan na talaga yun ang aking business na ako'y bata pa hanggang high school. Then nung high school, gumagawa ako ng mga pulboron, pastillas kasi medyo nahihiya-hiya na ako sa pagtitinda ng paglalako ng comics. I do pastillas and then I distributed to the canteen ng mga school. College ako sa Lucban, Quezon. Doon ko naman nakita yung longganisang Lucban. Natutunan ko namang ibenta yung longganisang Lucban ng Quezon na ibinenta ko sa aming bayan ng Sariaya. And doon nag-start yung aking business. Nagkaroon ako ng pasalubong store at the long run, nakaisip na ako magawa ng sarili kong bakery. Nagkaroon ako ng bakery sa Sariaya na gumagawa ng mga famous Sariaya product na mga brohas, apas, mga pinagong ng Sariaya, Jacobina, Pasensya. Yan, may bakery ako sa Sariaya before. And then nag-venture din ako ng grocery. Nagkaroon ako ng grocery store din doon. At nagkaroon din ako ng restaurant. I have 4 location din sa Pilipinas before na magpunta ako sa Canada. That's why kaya ako napapunta nga sa Canada. I'm proud Quezonian. I'm proud na ini-introduce ko ang mga Quezon product. That's why we came to Canada to showcase the Quezon product, yung mga browas na mga product, mga biscuit, mga pastillas, and mga makapuno. That time, kaya ako'y nakarating dito sa Canada through PIDC. I meet Flor Binjola during the CNE time, during the Mabuhay Festival. Pinakilala siya sa akin ng president ng Quezon Provincial Association na si Linda Javier. At that time, wala naman ako nang kilala nung dumating ako rito sa Canada. Dumating ako ng August 16, 1998 dito sa Toronto, na ganito, may araw pa. Kasi nga wala nga ako kakilala. First time ko lumabas ng bansa. First time ko sumakay ng eroplano. Wala akong alam na kamag-anak na nadadatnan dito. Kaya nung dumating ako dito, akala ko may susundo naman sa amin. Wala rin sumundo sa amin. Dumating nga kami dito ng 8 o'clock. Ako pa ang kauna-unahan lumabas sa eroplano. Alas 3 pa ng madaling araw, nasa airport pa ako, wala pa sumusundo. Mabuti nilang mababait yung mga taga Baguio Group na sinundo naman ako, na pinatuloy nila ako sa kanilang group. Sinama nila ako doon sa group nila. Kaya napasama ako doon sa group ng mga taga Baguio noong 1998. Very hard nung talagang pagdating ko. Very struggle, pero I survived. I meet Flor at that time, kasi taga Sariaya din siya. She is the one who helped me a lot. Flor Binjola is the president of Sariaya Association, helped me a lot for this business. But before we start this business, we are partner in ballroom dancing. We are partner in ballroom dancing. That's my first job in Canada, doing dance instructor. We are the first group of dance instructor. Ako po ay sumasayaw ng ballroom with Flor. That time, I'm come here for a working permit, I think 60 days for working visa for the CNE. After that, nawala na syempre, but we tried to make it a tourist visa at that time. During that time, my first job is a dance instructor, and then I starting cooking at home. The first product I do is ubi halaya, and then during the parties every weekend, I just bring my ubi halaya, my espasol, my ensimada, and bring it to the party and sold to the party goers. I go every table of the party and ask them what they want to buy, and that's how we start my business. And then how they know that I'm doing Filipino pastries. Flor helped me for doing this business. We start at home, and then yung medyo tumagal na yung aming paglalakusan. Siyempre hindi lang naman every weekend ka na lang magbebenta sa mga parties. Ang ginawa ko, I try to distribute it to the Filipino store. Yeah, with Flor. Siya ang aking driver at that time. Si Flor ang aking driver. Every start kami ng Thursday, after her work, mga 3 o'clock, binabaybay na namin, dinideliver na namin yung mga product ko sa mga Filipino store. Up to Friday and then go to dancing ng weekend. Kasi very demand na yung product, naisip namin ni Flor na humanap na kami ng isang commercial kitchen. Yeah, we start at Manville with the share kitchen. We do cooking during weekday, and during the weekend, yung talagang may-ari nung share kitchen ang gumagamit sila kasi mayroong catering service. Kasi very demand yung product namin, siguro talagang nagugustuhan ng mga Filipino community yung aking product. Kaya naisip namin magsarili na lang kami ng we start on Manville with 2,000 square feet, and then again 4,000, and then after 5 years, we moved to the biggest location that we have right now in 757 Warden, Scarborough. Yeah, we start at year 2000. We started for the bakery product. Right now, we distribute almost all over Canada, except Alberta and BC. For my restaurant, is only one location, but before we have a lot of location all over GTA and Mississauga. But since Flor passed away, we need to step back, and because I cannot handle all this by my own, that's why it's better to one location only in Scarborough. Actually, FB Food stands for Flor Binjola Foods, kasi siya talaga yung tumulong sa akin since day one. First month nung dating ko rito sa Canada. And then how this FB Food succeed because of Flor. We are always in the community, especially in the event, like festivals. We go to like Taste of Manila, Mabuhay festivals, and all the Filipino events, especially even small or big. During my time, one another is the Karosauga Festival. Yeah, I go to the event. We selling our product, show the Filipino foods and Filipino breads and pastries. We joined to the Filipino Community Association, like Filipino Center, PIDC. A lot of Filipino associations, some I board of directors, even Flor. During that time, I just followed the step of Flor only to the community because Flor is always in the community at that time. He does a lot of production, like Ontario Sing Festival. Yeah, Flor is the one who created that one. Ako lang sumunod lang sa mga ginagawa ni Flor because at that time, I'm on the back of FB. I'm the one who bake, cook, and everything I'm back of the scene ng FB. Si Flor ang nasa community because dahil nawala na si Flor, ako ang tinuloy ko lang yung kanyang legacy for the community. Pero I love the community. Not only now, I go to the church, community, lalo na sa atin sa Our Lady of Assumption. I'm the member of Archdiocese of Filipino Mission in Toronto. I always go to lahat ng mga Filipino community. I support, especially yung mga concert, even like Filipino Heritage Month. I celebrated it with them. I joined them, and then yung sa consulate natin, yung Filipino Restaurant Month, I joined din sa mga ganung mga community event. I'm Filipino, and we need to support with the community. Sana naman hindi kalimutan ng younger generation, especially the authentic Filipino foods. FB Foods is a pioneer ng authentic Filipino foods dito sa Canada o dito sa Toronto because up to now, we serve authentic Filipino foods. We try to impress not only the Filipino, but yung iba ding lahi na kumain, tikman ang Filipino foods because masarap naman ang ating food ng mga Pilipino. Sa ngayon naman, it's easy to show because of the social media na para ipakita, i-showcase yung ating mga food na mga Filipino foods. It's hard to start. But if you have determination, you can do it. Very struggle time. Hindi naman pwedeng success agad, especially in business. Maraming struggle sa negosyo bago ka maging success. If you want to come to Canada, Canada is all welcome, especially to the new immigrant. But kailangan lang maghanda you prepare yourself. Talagang kailangan kayo may determination na sa pagtatrabaho, yung inyong mga pangarap, ay kailangan may pagtitiis mo rito talaga sa Canada. Yeah, Canada is a very nice place to stay. Pero kailangan prepare yourself na para sa mga struggle mo rito sa simula. Hindi lahat naman nagsisimula sa ibang lugar ay nagiging success ka agad. Like me, I start from hard to difficult. Lahat ay pinagdadaanan dito, kailangan lang masipag ka, may baong kang sipag, tiyaga, at saka may determinasyon ka at may goal ka na you have a goal na talagang na magagampanan mo lahat yung goal mo para mag-success ka rito sa Canada. Yun muna. Hindi ko na alam.